Okay, does your vacuum cleaner, the roller, not spin when you're turn it on? Let's see. Yeah, see? Roller doesn't spin. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. Okay, safety first. Unplug the vacuum cleaner from the wall or whatever you got it plugged into. Okay. Alright, we're unplugged. Let's take off this cover and see why the roller's not spinning. Probably shouldn't spin that easy if the belt was attached to it. So I'm guessing we got a broken belt. Let's check it out. Okay. To get to the belt in here, we're going to need to remove one screw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever screws you see around, 5 that hold on this cover for whatever vacuum cleaner you may have. You want to access this roller. Open it up, have a look. Okay, you can use a drill if you want to remove the screws. Just be gentle. And the screws that look like this will be a number 2 Phillips, most likely. So definitely those screws are number 2 Phillips, but depending on what kind of vacuum you have. Alright, so let's use this drill to unscrew them. Okay, well, I'm in here, and here's the belt and everything. And guess what? Looks like it just fell off, or through the belt. It's not broke. So let's just clean it up a little bit in here and see what's going on. I don't like that this is all bulged out though. This is all bulged out. My gut's telling me that should be flat. Huh. I don't know, I'll have to find out. But let's take this out and take the stuff off of it and check the belt a little bit, see if there's anything weird, and just clean it up a little bit, put it back together, see if it works. Always check for the right part number too. If you look at the tag on your vacuum cleaner, you'll find a tag, and it'll have probably part numbers for the belt and that kind of stuff on there. And I don't believe this belt is the right one for this vacuum cleaner, for one thing. B style. So it doesn't say anything. It should say Hoover on it, not Shark. That's a Hoover vacuum, so yeah, it's not the right belt. I'll bet money that's probably one thing. So I wiped the belt too. I'm gonna flip the belt over, flip it over inside out. I'm gonna try that. Just throw it back together. Can't lose anything. I'll get the right belt tomorrow. Okay, I removed. There's a end cap that what holds the roller in place. And this end cap is, this gray one is got a rectangular flat sides and round sides, and that goes in that end. And this side has got a round end, and that's the other way, which is not how, well, okay, yeah. Okay, I thought maybe somebody put the wrong end caps on the wrong ends or anything, but no, that's right, because the belt goes on that one side. Okay, this was full of dirt in there, so I used my condenser cleaning brush. Call these they're like a stiff plastic brush, and you want the stiff plastic to be able to kind of pick out any. You could use like a kitchen dish brush or something, but this is a sealed ball bearing in here, And if you spin this shaft, it should spin real nice. And mine spins a little roughly, so this roller needs replaced. But maybe it'll get me by for one night till I'll get a new one this week. But yeah, you wanna turn it, and it should spin real nice, real smooth. If you feel any bumps or anything, which I feel bumps in it, your bearings are no good. So the bearings are so. Anyways, so I need a new roller and a new belt. To you could probably order them online too. Can't see, won't focus right. Anyways, okay. So that's with that. Okay. The easiest way to put the belt on is put the belt on the shaft first. Slide it over the roller, okay, because the belt's got tension on it now. And put in the one side on the right side, okay, and then just pull it down and pop it in. Just like that. See how easy that went in? You just like that over the thing, and just drop it right in, just like that. Piece of cake. Okay, just clean up the water. Just took the string and stuff that was off, rolled around here, just pulled it off, just wiped it off with a rag. I flipped the belt over. This is broken, so I need to get a new one of those. But okay, hopefully that should be it. I'll put the cover back on, and I'll get some new parts, new belt and new roller. For hopefully should last for until I get the parts in. Okay. This cover just seems to set right in. You want to set the top part in. It doesn't just sets in there, and it just kind of sets right on the right there. Sits down real nice. Doesn't go into any tabs or anything like that. And what you want to do is you want to start all your screws individually. Start with one on the right, one on the left, one on the right, the left, the middle. Do them all loose, or start them loose, and then just start tightening them down in like a circular pattern, or just bring them down all. Don't just tighten one all the way first, you know. You want to do them all loose and then bring them down, and just start them with a hand screwdriver. And if you want to do it most of the way, do it for a couple of turns with the hand screwdriver to get it all started. Then you can bring them down and just lightly bring them down with a drill if you want to use a drill to or a screw gun to bring them down. But bring them down gentle, and then I would recommend the final tightening you do with a hand screwdriver. So you don't want to this plastic. All this stuff will break, I'm sure, if you look at it sideways, or you drill accidentally torques a screw too much and you end up breaking something. So just use the drill for the midsection of taking all the screws down the length, because they're about an inch long, so maybe you don't want to do all that turning. Okay, I started with the center screw here, and then just put that in a few turns, and then did the upper right one, and then the lower right, and up here, and the right one here, and just kind of did that. All right, there you go. Okay, let's give it a try, see if it works. Okay. Yes! Roller spins. Yeah, baby. Good till we get some more parts. Yeah, baby. Rock and roll. Sounds good. Okay, click like on the video and subscribe if you could. Thank you. subscribe to be notified of some more real good videos I can put up. Okay, thanks. Bye. And help support the channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Okay, I just got done doing about 30 minutes worth of vacuuming in the house, and vacuumed everything, and still working real good. The belt stayed on the roller and everything, and we're good to go. So this works. How to repair your vacuum cleaner for free. I might not even order the parts. Just let it blow up again. So we'll see how long it lasts. Lifetime HEPA filter. Huh. That's wild.